Yeah, because Instagram is all about like your relationship score. So it's just showing you things that it thinks you most likely want to see.
TikTok I find interesting because, it'll be, you go on your For You page and there's like, you're scrolling and it's just the same. Everyone's kind of getting the same stuff, like a lot of Sebastian Stan. It's on my For You page all the time. But then, there'll be a new trend and that's on your For You page for days. And then all of a sudden, that's not cool anymore. And if you're doing that trend, like, it's over. Like, don't do it. Like, if you're a brand and you're doing an old trend, like, sorry, you're cancelled. You're Cheugy, you're cancelled.
Cheugy, okay. I have to interrupt. What's Cheugy?
Okay, so Cheugy it's only something I've recently learned.
It's something that
it's essentially
Gen Z
everything
came up with.
Yeah. Essentially everything that was cool in like 2014 to 2016 is now Cheugy.
So for example,
Friends is Cheugy.
Friends is Cheugy.
Yeah. Is it positive?
No.
No.
You don't want to be Cheugy.
No, you don't.
I'm like, do I want to be Cheugy?
No,
okay,
you
I don't.
Lisa. So BuzzFeed.
Oh yeah, BuzzFeed's
very
Cheugy.
So it's like old, done.
Yeah,
it's
millennial.
it's like
it's that interesting because I feel like how we're saying millennial culture is coming back, the Y2K, but that 2014, 2016 version of millennials very, very not okay.
Not cool.
Yeah.
So like in using in a sentence to say if this is Urban Dictionary, you could go something like Nick Bell is Cheugy.
Yeah, 100%.
Yeah, perfect. Okay,
Look
great.
Up Cheugy and there's a photo.
Yeah, there's a photo of Nick Bell.
Yeah.
From the AFR from 2015 when he looked about 1,000 years old.
What I've gathered from Cheugy is that it's very much vibe based because some things that are Cheugy, I can't pinpoint why, but they're Cheugy. Like lasagna is apparently Cheugy now.
No.
Yeah, I don't know why.
Lasagna's like always cool.
Yeah, I mean that's what I thought. So yeah, Cheugy, it's a vibe.
Okay.
You get a Chug sense and you'll be able to suss
Okay,
out
that's
what's
so Cheugy.
Yeah,
okay, great. I love that.
Yeah.
I love
we
that.
have some Cheuginess in the office.
I'm so scared. I'm pretty sure it's me.
No, you're not Cheugy.
No, it's something I just saw yesterday. It's a little this is probably like once I explain this example, you'll know what Cheuginess is.
Yeah, you'll know what Cheugy means.
So at the sink, we have like a little picture and it says every time you don't wash your dishes, a kitten dies. So that's Cheugy.
That is so Cheugy.
Memes are like old school kind of memes are very Cheugy because meme culture is so fast now, so you can't print out a meme because tomorrow might not be. It will be Cheugy.
Yeah, we're Cheugy.
Yeah.
Okay.
We're probably talking about Cheugy so much we're making it Cheugy.
We probably are.
Gen Z are like, oh my God,
Cheugy.
Cheugy.
Yeah, enough about the Cheugy.
Yeah.